Why do web animations have cross-browser compatibility problems? Imagine designing a stunning animation for your website, only to see it look completely different on various browsers. That can be frustrating, right? Let's explore why this happens. Web animations relying heavily on CSS and JavaScript code, but every browser has its own way of understanding and running that code. The main browsers, Chrome, Safari, and Firefox, each use different engines to process animations. Chrome and Edge use Blink, Safari uses WebKit, and Firefox uses Gecko. These engines interpret animation instructions differently, which can cause variations in how animations appear or behave. When you create animations using CSS properties like animation name, animation duration, or transform, most modern browsers support these features well. But older versions might need vendor-specific prefixes like or mas. If you forget these prefixes, the animation might not work properly. Plus, some browsers support certain CSS3 features fully, while others only support parts of them. This inconsistency can lead to animations that look smooth in one browser but jitter or glitch in another. Timing is another tricky part. Different engines handle easing functions and frame rates differently. For example, an animation might run at a perfect speed in Chrome but appear faster or slower in Firefox. Complex animations with many keyframes or heavy transformations can also cause issues, especially on older or less powerful devices. These animations might stutter or not run at all. SVG animations and filters add another layer of complexity. Shadows, blurs, and gradients can look different from one browser to another. For instance, Firefox might render a shadow slightly differently than Chrome, affecting the overall look. Font rendering is also inconsistent, which can cause animated text to shift or misalign. In the world of graphic design and video editing SaaS tools, these differences mean you need to test your animations across multiple browsers and devices. To make animations more consistent, stick to simple effects like transform and opacity, which are supported widely and run smoothly. Avoid overly complex animations with many keyframes or simultaneous property changes. Providing fallback static images or states for browsers that lack support is also a good idea. Using JavaScript animation libraries like GreenSock can help smooth out these differences because they handle many browser quirks internally. Also, enabling GPU acceleration can improve performance and make animations look better across platforms. Always test your animations with browser developer tools or extensions that simulate different environments to catch issues early. In short, cross-browser animation problems happen because each browser engine interprets animation code differently, and support for CSS and SVG features varies. Careful planning, testing, and sometimes extra coding can help ensure your animations look great everywhere.